Notice what we have. We have t cubed minus 27 over t to the fourth minus 9t squared times t to the fifth minus 6t to the fourth plus 9t cubed over t squared plus 3t plus 9. Factor everything, you guys. Divide out like factors. That's the name of the game. Okay. So this first numerator, what is that? What do you recognize it as? The left-hand numerator. Difference of two cubes, right? So if you have the difference of two cubes, a cubed minus b cubed, remember it's a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Remember that? Okay. So let's factor the numerator, the left-hand numerator. What is that going to factor to be? What's a minus b in this case? T minus b is 3, isn't it? And then, okay, you square t and get t squared according to the formula. And then what's plus ab? 2t times 3, which we turn it around, make it 3t, and then plus 9, using the difference of two perfect cubes formula. Okay? What about the denominator, the left-hand denominator? What's, is there a GCF we can take out? T squared, and then what's left? Minus 9. I can, there's more I can do on that, but I'll do it in the next step so it doesn't get too messy. Okay, the right-hand numerator. What can I factor out of that? There's a GCF of t cubed, isn't there? What's left? T squared. No, t cubed. Yeah, so t squared is left. What else? Minus 6t plus 9. I'll bet that factors some more. I'll do that in the next step. Should I try to factor this denominator? No, take a look. It's actually the same as this factor right here. If you wanted to, you could cross it out right now. As long as the operation is multiplication between the factors on top and on bottom, you can go ahead and cross those out as an entire quantity, right? Not individually, not individual terms. The entire quantity, t squared plus 3t plus 9, I'm dividing out. But I should factor some more. So this t minus 3 can't do anything with that. I'm just going to carry that down. But then the left-hand denominator, how does t squared minus 9 factor? T plus 3, t minus 3. And then we have in the right-hand numerator, we have a t cubed. And then how does t squared minus 6t plus 9 factor? Yeah, it's t minus 3 twice, or t minus 3 quantity squared. You could reverse FOIL that if you want, and you get t minus 3 times t minus 3, which is t minus 3 squared. But I already divided out that denominator, so really you could put in a 1. You don't need to. I divided out that trinomial in the last step. And likewise, that's why I lost my parentheses around the t minus 3. I didn't need them anymore. There's still a little bit more we can do. This is the fun part, by the way. I'm sorry, but this is as fun as it gets, is slashing these things, right? It's not that fun, but it's the best I can do. What can I slash? So t minus 3, I didn't like that t minus 3 anyway. Good riddance. Okay, what else? There's a t squared here. Won't that divide out with two of these? So there'll be a what left? A t on top? Yeah? And then anything else? That's disappointing. I was hoping to slash more. Oh well. Don't forget to multiply straight across. Numerator times numerator, whatever's left. Denominator times denominator. What do you get? There's just a 1 left in this numerator, so what do you get? Just 1 times that guy? T times t minus 3 squared. And then what's left in the denominator? T plus 3 times 1, which doesn't do much, so just t plus 3. resist the dark side, you guys. Don't slash out any t's. Okay? This is an entire quantity. This t plus 3 is an entire quantity. So you can't go like this. Doesn't work. It's not true.